Hi friends! We have some super news. We made a new mobile game Crazy Race for you. Choose a car, pass the tracks with obstacles, unlock new cool cars, and collect stickers. It's very driving and fun. The game is already available on App Store and Play Market. Who will be the first to collect all the stickers? Links to the new game in the description to the video. Download the game and step on the gas. And also for you, we have prepared a coloring book with pictures of our animated series, Handy Andy. Your favorite characters and cool cars. Color the story in your own way. You can buy the coloring book on Amazon. You will find a link to the coloring book in the description to this video. Show mom or dad, they'll help you buy it. Coloring with pleasure. An abnormal temperature increase has caught the citizens by surprise. The last time it was so hot was 100 years ago. We advise you to stock up on cool drinks and not to go out in the sun.
Boy, it's so hot. Let's leave at 6, and we're going to arrive at the lake house just by the evening.
Maybe even at 7. I need to change 2 more details. Major Harry promised to come to the barbecue tomorrow.
Great! We are going to have a relaxing weekend finally.
There are some chances, but it's not for sure.
A bit to the right. Now to the left. That's it.
Phew. Can we start?
Yes, I have not conducted such an experiment yet. Well, now I will create a tornado. Usually a tornado is an atmospheric whirlwind. It occurs in thunderclouds and descends to the very earth in the form of a cloud pipe. The diameter of the crater can range from 300 kilometers to 1,500 kilometers.
Whoops! I heard the air inside the funnel goes down. And outside it rises. Because of this, all the objects entering the funnel are sucked in, and the difference in pressure causes the houses to explode.
This is true, and that's why the experiment is so exciting. Great! We can turn it down and enter it into the successful experiments. We need to go now. This tornado is not under control.
I think we've got everything we need here.
Everything we need? This will be enough for a year, not only for the weekend.
Oh no! Let it be a signal about the beginning of the weekend.
Yes, Major?
I see.
The tornado is coming close to the city.
Oh, not that!
The biggest problem is that it cannot be controlled and stopped. Nevertheless, the main question is, where does it even come from?
Surely this is the work of Dr. Evil. He would love to spoil our plans.
If so, then a tornado is artificially created, which means it can be diffused. destruction can be simply catastrophic. It is good that almost all the citizens have left the city for the weekend, but they are unlikely to be happy with the destroyed houses upon arrival. Cameras captured a tornado, and I scanned it. Some device is visible inside that sends electrical discharges that feed the tornado.
Maybe you can somehow pull out this device?
I doubt that I can. However, we can feed it with dielectric. Great. What is it? I created it a couple of months ago, and I didn't know where to apply it. It produces waves that absorb electricity.
Then do it!
If only he succeeded. If everything goes well, the tornado will disappear immediately.
And if not?
Handy, you rescued the city again.
And the weekend!
It spoiled my fun.
Thank you so much for choosing our cartoons. We have many more for you to watch. Choose one now.